to judge the entire performance of the commission on the basis of glitch in result upload for the presidential election. You heard the European mission say, the European Observation Mission say that there were substantial and significant and fundamental improvements in the conduct of the governorship and state assembly elections. That is a positive sign. Nobody has also faulted the conduct of the senatorial and House of Representatives elections. That is, for me, is also a positive sign. Now, but we must also recognize the fact that the law itself has also given the political parties the opportunity to know what goes on at each polling unit. Almost all the political parties, or at least 5 of the political parties, nominated and got accredited over 170,000 polling agents. So what that means is that they had primary evidence of the results from the polling units, and it is those results from the polling units. So, and it cannot be correct for a political party to rely only on result upload in order to get the evidence with which he wants to prosecute his case in court. But as I say, we have cases in court, petitions are already in court. Let the court make a determination on whether the commission did well or the commission did not do well. As far as we are concerned, we are going to present our report, we are going to make our submissions to the court. We are going to present what we know and what we did during the elections to the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal and all the other election petition tribunals, and then they will make a determination on going forward. But as far as the commission is concerned, there were so many positives to this election. There were also significant challenges and problems with the election. We are going to address those challenges and those problems. And if we receive most of the reports from the domestic and international observers, we will harmonize them, take out the actionable ones that have administrative flavor. We will implement them. If there are still challenges with the Electoral Act 2022 and the constitutional framework, we will also join Nigerians and go before the National Assembly to get both the constitutional and legal framework amended. But let me say this, that as Nigerians, we must have faith in our democratic institutions. We must have faith in our democracy, and we must continue to work on our democracy, because the electoral process and democracy will keep on improving. There is no country in the world that can say it has a perfect democracy. No. You have to grow it, you have to nurture it, and you have to keep on nurturing it. Challenges will emerge, but the robustness of the institutions will determine how strong a democracy is, and that is my position.